too, so yeah. Now I don't have like paint or like stuff like food coloring, so I just got nail polish, but you can use it. I think I kind of struggled putting in the glue because it's kind of hard like squeezing it, so yeah. Yeah, I don't have glitter, so I have to use like nail polish, and I don't have paint, so I have to use like nail polish like I said, so yeah. Okay, now we are putting in the nail polish. I kind of struggled putting in it, so yeah, I put a lot. Now I'm mixing it up. Brush, I'm not gonna use my finger. That's one of them, so sorry. Kind of struggling there, so yeah. Pretty stretchy, but guys, sorry that I'm not looking at the camera that much because I'm watching the Family Diamonds, so yeah.